Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Canva Instagram posts. Now once you're logged into Canva, come to the top left, click on create, and then just click here on Instagram post. Or you can just type in Instagram right here, okay, or you can pick it from social media. Now we have all these different dimensions for Instagram. I'll just go ahead and pick up Instagram post. There are templates available as well, so you can click on templates, search up Instagram post, and then you can use these to edit. For example, if you want to do things related to infotainment, you can find a lot of different templates right here. Okay, so this is the file format. You can easily pick templates from here as well, choose styles, different combinations, color palettes. You can pick these, and you can see recent design styles. So let's pick this color palette right here. Okay, and then you can bring in different elements. As you can see, for example, graphics, you can easily search these up. You can bring in charts, okay, icons. So let's say, so this is a chart. You can change everything here. This is the table. So I'll make this smaller. If you want to add in text, you come here, choose the style. You can search for fonts. So let's just add one right here. Let's say Instagram post. Okay. You can bring it here at the top and then just change the color. You click here to change the color. Let's say we'll make it green. Okay, you can make this bold, italic. You can do a lot of different effects with it. You can see here shadow, lift outline, a lot of different effects. You can play around with them and see what they would actually look like. So choose the best one that you find for yourself. I'll just go ahead and stick with shadow right here. I'll bring this here to the top, and let's go ahead and increase the size of this. By the way, you can easily bring in images. You can come here, click on uploads, search for images as well. You can by keywords. And if we come back here to elements, you can even search for frames, mockups, clip arts as well, 3D graphics. Anything and everything is available. And once you're done, you just come at the top right, click on share, click on download, and then you can just download this as a PNG and then go ahead and upload on Instagram. It's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.